Hello everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. My name is Julia. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make this Halloween deco mesh wreath. I'm not sure if I will do the whole tutorial in this video or just part of the tutorial, depending on how long it gets. That's when I will stop. But make sure to watch the whole video and let me know if you try this and if you like this. Also, thank you to all the new subscribers who have been subscribing to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the content and let me know what other videos you would like to see. So let's continue. So I got this 18-inch frame. I'm not sure where I got it from. I'm sure I got it last year, or I don't remember. But you can find them Hobby Lobby. Sometimes Dollar Tree has them too. So anyways, this measures 18 inches and I will be adding deco mesh. I am working on a garland project, so this is the leftover deco mesh and I'll be using the leftovers to be working on this Halloween wreath. So this is the sign I will be using for this wreath. It's a custom order. So this is what I'll be using, and I don't know if you can see here, I have some purple flowers and some black and dark blue roses. And all these roses, you can find them on Hobby Lobby except these black ones. I got it from Michael's. And this sign I got it from Amazon. Alright, so let's begin. I do recommend using gloves when you work with deco mesh, gardening gloves, because if you have very sensitive skin, it can scratch your skin, the deco mesh. So I do have some gloves here. This is my gardening gloves that I use. But I don't know, I feel like it's easier for me to work without them, even though I scratch my skin. So the first thing I like to do is just this little, well, it's like a pipe cleaner, but it's not a pipe cleaner. It's called a chenille. So we open them. That way you get it prepared when you start working on your wreath. I might do just part 1 on this video, and then on the decorating part, I'll just do a second video for you guys. So that way this video is not too long. It does take longer to upload when the video is too long. Okay, so I'm just getting them all up. And I like this frame because it makes the wreath fuller, and it's easier to work with as well. I like this for my Christmas wreath with deco mesh. Sometimes people order deco mesh wreaths, and these are very nice to use for deco mesh. Okay, so that's how it looks. So I start with the middle and then I'll do the second row. So let's begin. And this is a full row. I'm using black. It's 10 inches by 10 yards. And I get this from Hobby Lobby. The regular price is $7.99, but you can always get it for 50% off every other week. And it's weatherproof. So here's a closer look. And like I said, this is already less than half, just because I was using the deco mesh for another project. I'm working on a Halloween, it's a large Halloween door garland. It's for a business, like a nail hair salon business. I don't think I'll be doing a tutorial on that, just because I'm just trying to concentrate and not record it. I might do like a quick video just to show the end result of that. I'll do like quick little recordings of that. Okay, so this is very helpful, the chenille, because you just tie it. Instead of adding the pipe cleaners, you just use the wreath frame. So all of it here is like a little, I'm not sure how much this measures, maybe 12 inches. I can measure it. Yeah, around 11 to 12 inches. So just make this little bump like that and then tie it. Like this. Sometimes I do different layers, like different colors, and I just add the layers here. Or if I'm using ribbon, I just add the ribbons as I am tying the deco mesh. But because for this one I will be using floral on top, I'm not going to do a lot of deco mesh. I'll probably do that for Christmas. This is what I normally do. So 3 twists. This is how it's looking. And just keep working all the way around. So this black mesh, I will be using it as a base, like a base filler. And if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, you can see the final results of my work. I don't always post them here on YouTube. So if you check my social media, you can see the work that I've done. Okay, so we're almost done. So there you go. This is the first, this is the inner circle. So now we're gonna work on the outer part of the frame. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like this tutorial. or if you would like to see a Christmas wreath, a deco mesh Christmas wreath, let me know in the comments down below. That way I can plan a video tutorial for deco mesh, a Christmas wreath. Because I know lately I've just been doing the grapevine wreaths for you guys. So I don't know if you guys like to work with deco mesh or only grapevines. So I don't think this will be enough, long enough. I can just tie it here so I don't waste any of the deco mesh. Okay, so I finished one. Well, it's not a full row, it's just like maybe 1/3, because this is how it looks when it's full. So like 1/3. Okay. So now we're gonna do the outer part of the frame. It's the same process. So when I started wreath making, I actually started with deco mesh. I started working with deco mesh, and that's a lot of orders I received were actually deco mesh wreaths. And I started in the fall 2020. So if you check my Instagram and go all the way down my photos, you can see most of them are deco mesh orders. What really motivated me to do more wreaths is when I sold my first wreath, I actually sold it on Facebook Marketplace. And that made me really excited, and it made me want to do more. Work on more wreaths, and I made an Instagram, and then from there, it just went from there. I'll probably will need more of the black deco mesh. I don't think this is gonna be enough product for me to finish this frame. So most likely you will need one full row, or almost the full row, of the deco mesh. So the wreath frame is 18 inches, but oops, with the whole mesh it's way longer. Just had to try it a different method because I accidentally pulled so much of this. It's okay. It's all tight. And you can also get deco mesh if it's your first time making a wreath and you don't want to spend a lot of money. You can buy it on Dollar Tree. They have deco mesh there. I just like the Hobby Lobby deco mesh. The quality is much better than the Dollar Tree. But if it's your first time making a deco mesh and it's just for you, you can use the Dollar Tree one. The reason I like Hobby Lobby is because of the quality and there's more product also. Actually, that's gonna be enough. Just enough. So you might not need a full roll, like I said, maybe half or almost half. If you want to make it fuller, then you might use the full one row. Alright, so this is how it looks, and you can use this as a base for your wreath. And then let me move it here so you can see the full picture. So like I said, you can use this as a base for your wreath, and then you can just keep adding ribbons, you keep adding the sign. So this is how I'll be doing the sign here, and add the flowers, everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned so you can see the final result of these Halloween wreath. You have a good day.